Now let's look at the 8th question, which says integral of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x times dx. So here if you observe, integral of 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2 times dx. Let me explain the reason for it. We know that 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x, right? So when the angle here was 2x, here you got the angle as x, which is exactly half of the value. So here when you make the angle as half of it on the left hand side, right hand side also it will become half. So it will become 2 cos square x by 2. So 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 and 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. So you need to use the same logic for cos x also. Cos square x by 2 also. Right. So having said this, you will have integral of tan square x by 2 times dx. Right. So we know that we don't have a direct integral for tan square. Whenever you have tan square, you need to write it as secant square minus 1. So it will get converted as secant square x by 2 minus 1 times dx is equal to integral of secant square x by 2 dx minus integral of dx. So what is the integral of secant square x by 2? So integral of secant square x by 2 is tan x by 2 the whole divided by half, because the coefficient of x is half, minus integral of dx is x, you have plus c. So this implies the 2 will go to the numerator. It is 2 times tan x by 2 minus x plus c, which would be the final answer.